The fashion and retail industry is of course one of the biggest in the world, but it still remains pretty archaic when it comes to a technical perspective. And that is certainly, I think, one of the biggest issues is when we think about circularity or sustainability. The fashion industry is one of the biggest problems within that space for us globally as humans. And I think a huge part of that is ultimately because it's a little far behind on tech. I think that there still remains a lot of work to be done at the intersection of connecting a lot of these systems properly, both in a one-way direction, so the information coming from the ERP and spitting down to all of these places, but also working back. And I think AI is absolutely right if the proprietary data is clean and clear. But if not enough of those systems are speaking to each other in the right way or right manner, then is AI doing enough of the work? So I believe people who are building AI products, but thinking about the different silos of data, connecting that, and allowing the AI to learn from all of that connected data, then yes. The nature of building a technology within your own business means it needs to be managed. It needs to be built first, costly. It needs to be managed. And then also in 3 years' time, when DPP times 10 comes out, you have to bring in a tech company again, or this company in again, to reconfigure. Whereas buying out of the box tends to mean that a SaaS solution is constantly looking at the market and effectively changing certain pipelines, looking at partnerships with other platforms. And that's where it becomes interesting, cheaper, and ultimately the ROI is.